Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Temu wishlist. So guys, first of all, you must have items in your wishlist. And if you don't have any of item, then you have to add items in your wishlist first. Then you will be able to share your wishlist. I have some of items in my wishlist. So let's go to the wishlist. Just simply we have to go on profile icon. And in this window we will see wishlist option. Just hit on wishlist and here you will be able to see all your products that you've added in your wishlist. I want to share this wishlist item. I have clicked on it. Once you've clicked on that option, here you will see share button. You can share your wishlist by using these icons, and if you want to share your wishlist any of other platform, then you can copy the link by clicking this button and you can paste this link anywhere. Just simply you have to paste your link and share your wishlist. And that's it guys. This is how to share Temu wishlist. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.